This content is produced by Special Learning Needs Consultants, www.slnconline.com.ng, making learning and technology easy, accessible, affordable, and available for everyone. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channels for more tutorials. Let's go learning.
Hello, my people. How are you doing today? And that is the weather over there. My name hasn't changed. I am Olufemi Esebaude from Special Needs Consultant in Nigeria, where we make learning and technology easy, accessible, affordable, and available for everyone, especially those with visual impairment. Today, I want to show you how to perform simple data cleaning using Microsoft Office Excel.
For data analysis and productivity with spreadsheet.
Get
Work
it out. The best Microsoft Office Excel textbook for all screen reader users.
As you know, before any analysis could begin, you need to first prepare the data, and part of it is to have the data cleaned up, because every data that you have that you import into Microsoft Office Excel is presumed dirty. So there are some of them that we have awkward formatting, missing data sets, and all sorts of nonsense that will hamper your analysis. So you need to clean it up. I'm in my A1. So the very first thing to do is to clear every formatting in this worksheet. So everything will be plain. So if I need to format it later, I will have to do it on my own terms using the right formatting that I want. So I will highlight everything, every data set here, using my Ctrl+Shift+8.
Quick analysis available.
So I will press my Alt+H for my home tab, then letter E for clear.
Ribbon E. Clear all clear everything from the selected cells. All contents, formatting, and comments are cleared from the selected cells. Alt-H, E, A.
Then I'll use my down arrow key to choose clear formatting.
Clear formats, clear formats, clear only.
Clear format. Then I press enter.
Sheet 4, table, days A1, bottom border, apply borders.
So I can start with other business. I will start by finding out if there are any awkward data in this data set, and I'll be doing that with my go to command by pressing Ctrl+G. So I'll look for entries that seems to look like errors. So with my Ctrl+G dialog box, that's go to dialog box on the screen, I press my tab key to navigate to special.
Go to special button.
Then I press spacebar.
Assignment 11 tables interquartile range.
Then I press my down arrow key to select constant. Then I press my tab key. Number, I will uncheck it with spacebar. Text unchecked. Logic unchecked. Error is checked. Then I tap to OK. I press enter.
Assignment 11 table.
All the awkward data that looks like error in this worksheet are highlighted, so I will go ahead to delete them by pressing the keystroke Alt+H+D+R to remove all the rows where I have them.
Ribbon R. Sheet 4, B20, bottom border, apply borders.
So they are gone from this worksheet. So to be double sure, let me go back to the top. Then I press my go to command again. Ctrl+G, press my tab key to go to special. I press spacebar. Then I scroll down to constant.
Go to special dialog, select constant.
Then I press my tab key, number uncheck, text uncheck, logical uncheck,
errors checkbox checked,
error is checked, then I press enter and OK.
Microsoft assignment 11 tables interquartile range and charts not accept. Microsoft Excel dialog, no cells were found. OK button.
At least
Graphic,
no
cells were
cell
found.
was found
Space.
with such
Days 8,
abnormality.
bottom border applied to
I haven't done that. Let me
one.
find out if I have any blank
Days
cells within this worksheet. I spoke about it
Saturday,
in my
8:43.
last video using the count blank function. So let me
A 44.
do that. So everything ends in the 43rd row. So I will do equals
Equal. Editing.
count blank left parenthesis A1
A, 1.
colon
A 1.
A43.
4. A 43. Right
Then
there.
press enter. Let me see.
A 45. 0 as formula
So
A44.
for my A column, there is no blank cell. So let me fill the formula.
Selected
Right
as formula
words.
A44 0 through Z.
Let me check.
Quicken. 1 as formula B44.
I have 1 in my B column.
2 as formula C44.
I have 2 in my C column.
Phase A1.
There are things that we need to consider while doing something like this. If you take a look at this data set, that's why when you want to perform data cleaning, you need to have idea of the structure. In my A column, I have this.
Order B1.
In my B, I have others. That's where I have all those items, pot, pan, schedule. In my C, I have quantity sold.
C1.
Meaning that in this C, that is where I have the quantity in figures.
10 C2.
If I don't have any blank in my
And B2.
with my order, okay, I may not really bother about what I have in my C, which is the quantity. So let me explain. The very first thing is that if you actually know the missing item that is on this order, you can go ahead and then fix it. That is, if you can get back to the source where this data is being fetched from. So you can go there, maybe to the shopkeeper, you can ask that, okay, what did you sell on a so day? As you know that on A column, that's where we have this. So you can verify what do you sell on so day and how many quantity did you sell. Okay, so the person can tell you, so you can fix it manually. Okay, but in case you can't get to the source, and definitely, you know, this may hamper your results. So if the order is empty, definitely the adjoining cell which represent the quantity and for the day must be get rid of. You need to wipe them off. Okay, but assume that it is only for the quantity that you can't determine with the missing data. Okay, you can just represent it with 0. Okay, you can represent it with 0, and you can do that with your replace. Okay, so let me quickly do that only for the quantity side. I need to highlight this range C2 C43, then I press enter key.
C4.
Reason for highlighting this is to ensure that my Excel did not go out of this column while replacing. Then I press my Ctrl H for my replace.
Find and replace dialog.
So the dialog box is up on the screen. Then I press my tab key. Okay, find what with my shift and tab key. So I've located find what. Then I am not looking for anything except blank cells in this column. So I will leave this find what empty. Then I press my tab key to replace with. Then I put 0.
0.
Then I replace all with my Alt and letter A as in apple.
Microsoft Excel dialog all done. We made 2 replacements. Okay,
You
but
can see we made 2 replacements. And remember what that formula said earlier, that we only have 2 blank cells in this column C. So you can see that we've done it correctly. Then I press spacebar on the OK button.
press
Then press escape
the replace
to go out.
dialog. Assignment 11 table.
So you can verify. Let's go back to where we have our formula.
0 has formula
You can see
B44.
it's now displaying 0. You can see
1 has formula B44.
this one is showing 1 for the other section. So in this other section, what we need to do now is that we need to use our go to. So it's going to locate the blank for us, and we get rid of that particular row in this worksheet, just as we did earlier. So with my go to on the screen, I press my tab key to move to special.
Go to list alt plus G special button. Alt
Then I
plus
press
space.
space bar key.
Assign. Go to special assignment 11 tables.
Then I use my arrow key, that's my up or down arrow key, to locate blank.
Go to special dialog, select data validation radio comments constant formulas rate blanks radio button.
So I can see
plus
blanks. Then I press my tab key
space. OK button.
to OK. Then I hit the enter key.
Assignment 11 tables. Interquartile range and charts.xlsx cells.
All the blanks cells in this worksheet has been highlighted. Suppose it's not only in this particular cell and this particular column that we have the blank, and we have to get rid of the entire rows having these blanks. So I press my keystroke.
4. Delete dialog. Shift cells up radio button checked alt plus U.
Okay, let me. The entire
Shift
row.
cells left. Entire column rate. Entire row radio.
Press enter on the entire row.
Assignment 11 tables. Interquartile range and charts.xlsx. Excel sheet 4. Bottom border applies.
Let's find out.
0 as formula
So-
A43.
A43 we have 0. That means there are no blank cells.
0 as formula B43.
No blank cell again in our B column,
0 as formula C43.
and no blank cell again in our C column. Then I can get rid of this particular formula from my Excel worksheet. Then I can go ahead
Days A1.
to format my worksheet the way I would like it formatted. I believe that you've learned these few tips about data cleaning using Microsoft Office Excel. There are much more to learn when it comes to Microsoft Office Excel. So you can sign up for our oncoming Excel Masterclass training. We see the link to the registration in the description of this video. Please click the like button if this video has been helpful to you, and do share it among your friends and family on social media. And should you have any question, use the comment section of this video. And on to the next time when I'll be coming your way with another interesting and impactful video. Keep watching, keep learning. Goodbye.
This content was put together by Special Learning Needs Consultant, making learning and technology easy, accessible, affordable, and available for everyone. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google+. Also, don't forget to visit our website for information, articles, and helpful resources on www.slnconline.com.ng.